Hello everyone, it's February 2nd, 6:49 p.m. and, well, I'm sorry, 6:19 p.m. I looked at my cell phone wrong. But we're in Brooklyn right now. It's very cold, it's like 30 degrees. We're on 5th Avenue and 46th. I'm gonna walk around here. Let me put the microphone where it's supposed to go here. There we go. All right. So it's starting to flurry a little bit. So there's some flurries going on. Hopefully it doesn't affect the video, but if it does, it might get a little raindrops on there. I don't have my umbrella. I should have had it in my hand, but I left it at the car. I should have brought it. It's okay. We got little flurries. So let's walk around here. It's 46th and 5th. 46th and 5th. YouTube, brother. YouTube. Yeah. So, yeah. So we're on 5th, and this is 46th. So let's check out what's going on here at 5th Avenue. My first time on 5th Avenue walking. So depending on when you're watching this, it's either a uploaded video or a live or a premiere. It might be all the above coming out. But we just did the Chinatown New Year's Festival in Brooklyn here on 8th Avenue. So it was the Lunar Day Festival. So let's take a walk around here. It's very, very live here. Very, very lively here. 5th Avenue. I never knew 5th Avenue was like this. I've been going to 8th Avenue quite often for a while, doing videos there, but I never ventured over to here. So this is my first time on 5th Avenue, and it's pretty cool. So we're not going to go too far from 46th because I parked on 46th. But let's walk around the neighborhood here. I should have brought my umbrella. It's out in the car. It's in the car. I should have brought it. The video might be a little, the camera might get a little wet. I don't know. We should be okay because it's very light, very light. Very light, the drizzle. There's some snow flurries going on. So we'll walk up and down a few blocks. Then I got to make my way back to 46th Street. They got a lot of nice stores here. It's a nice avenue. Very nice avenue. But yeah, the flurries are coming down a little bit now. I hope it doesn't ruin the video with the raindrops here, but it's part of the game. I have the umbrella in the car. Is what it is. But let's walk. Yeah, you see on the car the flurries. It started flurrying out of nowhere just now. So it was in the forecast that there was going to be some flurries today. So it's going to be kind of a short video, maybe 20 minutes or so, this one. I don't want to get the camera too wet. Gimbal camera. The Pocket 3 camera. The Campbell, that's funny. Because it's a gimbal and a camera, so the Campbell. Maybe I just came up with a kind of a new word for it, a nickname. I gave it a nickname. No, the camera. It's a little big guy, LBG, because it's a little camera, but it's like it does a big job, you know. It does a great job, this camera. But yeah, everyone, a lot of nice stores here. I'll give a little commentary on this one. It's raining, so like I said, it's not going to be a really long one. I should have brought the umbrella. But you can see the rain coming down a little bit. Not the best timing in the world. The umbrella's in the car. Okay, you got it. Very lively here. Very lively. The dogs. Very lively. So this looks like a pretty Latin section for the most part. So if there are some raindrops on the camera, then it's part of the ambiance. As long as I don't ruin the camera with the flurries. Got a VV bubble tea. Yeah, the bubble teas are so popular. Very popular bubble tea. Okay, so let's walk back this way. There's not much going on over there. I was thinking maybe we could walk across the street because I just walked on this side. Maybe we'll do that. Okay, I can get across the street real quick. Because of the rain, it's going to be very short video. So let's walk over here. This is 5th Avenue, Brooklyn, and we're on the corner 5th and 50, 5th and 50th Street. We just turned around on that street. I'll kind of stay over here because it's drier. So if I walk on over here, I got a little protection from the raindrops. A lot of Latin restaurants here. Got the fresh vegetables right here on the corner. Great to see. Okay, yeah, the flurries are coming down. So we're gonna do 3 more blocks and then I'm gonna cut the video because of the flurries. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed that 5th Avenue is very lively here. Very cool. Got a big Planet Fitness right there. I just got a membership to Planet Fitness about a month and a half ago. Not a bad thing to have. It's pretty good deals they got, Planet Fitness. All my stuff is getting wet. So yeah, we're gonna make this a short one. Whoa! Oh man, you really gotta look out for these scooters here. My goodness. They're all over the place. I gotta hurry up. They're all over the place. I hope I didn't drop any of my gloves. Okay, my gloves are okay. Out of my pocket. Okay. This is a nice vibe here. Nice vibe. Everything's all lit up here. It's I bet this goes all night. This spot right here. So if you come to Brooklyn late, this might be a good spot. It's only about 6:30 right now p.m., but it's winter time, so it gets dark early. Oh, let's take a walk into Seatown. How are you, buddy? Let's see how it is in here. so we have some dryness in here. It's good to get out of the wet, out of the rain. So this is a nice little supermarket type place here. Pretty cool. Not super big, but it's not bad at all. It's like a nice little supermarket. They probably have just about everything that people need. And pretty cool. It's pretty wild how everything is. You know, we're only a few avenues from Chinatown, and yeah, it's like a whole different country when you go to a different avenue, you know? Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, this is the C-Town here. 5th Avenue, Brooklyn. So, yeah, it's a lot, very similar to, it's very similar to a lot of Latin cities in New Jersey, the supermarkets and everything. Okay, so we're on 47th. We're gonna walk up this way. Okay, so I can go because the light is red, but it says not to go, but the light is red. No problem. Just like those people just went across the street. So, but you always have to look, of course, always. You get a bus from, okay, it says via 5th Avenue, fare required. Okay, everyone, trying to get out of the wet. Give you guys a little view of the street while I'm standing here. That's 42nd Street or 47th Street, and we're on 5th Avenue. Yeah, there's a lot of stores here open. A lot of Mexican restaurants here, it looks like. So it's a Mexican area. Okay, so the flurries are coming down even more now. It's starting to snow, and I really don't have my umbrella on me, so we're gonna walk across the street, and then I have to end the video. I could stand out of the wet here. Stand over here. Okay, let's cross. I would go that way, but the rain makes it difficult. I guess really quick, I really wish I did have the umbrella with me. Really quick, we can go down a couple blocks here, and then I have to come back and cut it off because of the weather. So I wonder how far down these stores go on both ends. This side, it looks like it just goes about to here, the next couple blocks, and then it cuts out the pretty much the downtown spot right here. Got a metro right there. Okay, everyone, yeah, the snow is coming down. Let me turn around. Yeah, it's starting to snow. It's starting to snow, so I have to go. Here's a bakery. Open 24 hours, 24-hour bakery here. Pretty cool. See, they got a lot of stuff. La Gran Via Bakery. Oh, they got the Valentine's Day cakes. Wow, look at these cakes for the Valentine's Day. Pretty awesome. Some nice cakes there. La Gran Via. And we're on the corner of 46th and 5th Avenue. Okay, everybody, yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little tour of 5th Avenue here. Looks like a nice little downtown area of this avenue. First time here. I didn't go all the way down to my right, but it looks like there's a lot more down that way. When you go to the left over here, it looks like there's just a little bit of stores. Then maybe it turns into residential type of area. But so far looks really cool. Let me get across the street here. Okay, so I got it. Okay, everyone. Well, thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed, would help us a lot if you subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much.